6.4 Mid-Unit Assessment, problem number 4. The recipe for cookies calls for 2/3 of a cup of sugar per batch. Elena used 5 1/3 cups of sugar to make multiple batches of cookie. How many batches did she make? So 2/3 of a cup per batch. Remember, per batch means 1. And she used 5 1/3. So we're trying to figure out. We have 5 1/3 is what we used. We're going to divide by 2/3. This says how many groups of 2/3 fit into 5 1/3. And that's going to give us the number of batches. So we're going to use a tape diagram. I'm going to draw it down here. Remember, I like to do the whole number first. So it's 5 1/3. We're going to do 5. There's 5 wholes. 5 1/3. So I'm going to draw, this looks like a third. About, maybe too big. There's 1/3, so I'm going to scoot it over here. I'm going to put a line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes, and then 1/3. We want groups of 2/3, which means we have to break them all up into thirds. So each one has 3/3 in it. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then this one is also a third. So we're trying to find out how many groups of 2/3 there are. So one group of 2/3, 2 groups of 2/3, 3 groups of 2/3, 4 groups of 2/3, 5 groups of 2/3, 6 groups of 2/3, 7 groups of 2/3, 8 groups of 2/3. Remember, 2/3 is one batch. We don't know how many batches. We got 8 groups of 2/3. That means there's going to be 8 batches.